So when we're anchoring, it's always good practice to set an anchor drag alarm. So to do that from our Garmin Volvo screen, simply go Home, Settings, Alarms, and then Navigation, and then we have anchor drag. At the moment it's off, so we tap on that. We turn the anchor drag alarm on, and then we can set the radius as well. So at the moment it's 50 meters. You can set it to whatever you wish. So for demo purposes, we'll set it to 75 meters. And as you can see, we've got the radius set there around our vessel at 75 meters. So anytime your vessel drags outside of that radius, that will trigger the alarm. So we'll go back to our chart page, and then there you can see the anchor drag radius up.